Bakit some people will love you when you're broken but hate you when you're whole? At kung iniisip mo bakit ganito, let me break it down for you. Now, when you're broken, you're safe. You're not a threat. You are relatable. Kasi you're just like them. Struggling, hurting, lost. Pero the moment that you start to heal, the moment you start fixing your life, getting better, chasing your dreams, suddenly, nagbabago na yung tingin nila sa'yo. You'll hear, "Uy, nag-iba ka na." Or, "Uy, grabe, yabang mo na porket maayos ka na ngayon." Hindi dahil sa nag-iba ka, pero dahil hindi na nila tanggap that you have leveled up. And, welcome to the real world. That is the truth about growth. It exposes who's real and who's not. Some people love the broken version of you kasi you made them feel better about themselves. Ayaw nilang nauungusan. Pero the moment you become whole, naging trigger ka na sa mga insecurities nila. You are now becoming a reminder of the things that they should have done that they never did. So remember this, the problem is not you healing, the problem is they refuse to. Think about this. The friend who supported you nung walang-wala ka, pero nawala nung umasenso ka. The relative na proud sa'yo nung nagsistruggle ka, pero silent na ngayong you're winning the battles of life. The partner who loved your weakness, pero couldn't handle your strength. That's life. Not everyone can clap for your wholeness. Real talk. Listen, I know it hurts when people change around you. Pero ikaw, don't ever dim your light just for others not to get blind. If your healing makes them hate you, that's their wound to carry, not yours. The only responsibility is to keep growing, keep healing, and keep winning. The right people will celebrate your wholeness, yung pagiging buo mo, not just the comfort of your brokenness.